Welcome, friends. Today we're going to discuss Old World Style Set 10. And when I named this, believe it or not, I actually was not a fan, or not that I wasn't a fan, I had not watched Game of Thrones yet. So I'd asked a friend to help me name the set, and so this set is called Set 10 Winter is Coming. Forgive me for the nameplay, did not realize. But in this world, or for the set, we explored actually a lot more with the scrolls, and we recolorized the scrolls with this nice icy blue, and adding a lot of, you can see on the edges here, a lot of little snow and dripping ice, just little icicles coming down. And as we're going to scroll through here, you can see we've got several new scrolls. We've got them without and with the ice patterns. We've redone the caves. We've taken some of our pieces from several of our other sets and recolored them. We've also added snow, we've added ice. You can see our shipwrecks, we've added ice. We've redone our tunnels. So lots of fun things in here. So if you're wanting to add for a really polar region map, then this is for you. One of the other things we added were tracks in the snow. This set works great with Old World Set 9, the Arctic lands. You'll notice that we do have the old mountains, we have the snowy mountains and everything right in this other map right next to it. And let's decorate a little bit. So here I've laid out the scroll, the background, and I've laid out some tunnel areas. And we're just going to do a quick placement. So up here, as we do always, we're going to right click, we're going to object layer, and let's add some tracks. Go up here to insert tile, and let's add some tracks around. Maybe your band of stalwart heroes is trying to track somebody from a nearby town. Trying to uncover what befell someone. I'm going to zoom in so you can see this a little better. You see a lot of these, the tracks are very faint. And we're just going to have some fun. Let's just play around a little bit. Put a little crack right here in this pit. Let's go back to that pit. Let's reimagine that. Maybe this is overhead, and this is part of the ice sheath. And you'll notice that I'm using the object layer for this. I could, if I wanted to, I'm going to add a new object layer. Move that, move that. I'm going to move this up to 39. Where are you? There you are. Now I can put this back and the crack will be underneath. And you saw just from how many layers I have listed there, you can keep adding and keep adding. What do we want to put in? Goodness. There we go. We're going to go up here so it's not covered. We're going to add a little statue there. And we're going to add a little statue here. We have a frozen dragon. We've got all kinds of stuff. We have ice webs. Who knew that you needed ice webs? Maybe there are some little frozen guys down here. And maybe this is, we have actually people that are frozen in ice. And maybe this is part of what's going on in the scene before you take your players onto your next project. It's going to stay kind of a short video. I'll bring you back at the end when the map is all decorated. But this is Old World Style Set 10, and it's pretty self-explanatory. You can create a very northern tundra kind of landscape to show your players, to give them a brief idea of what their next adventure entails. Thank you very much, and as always, happy mapping. We'll see you in the next video.